Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you the best free tools that enable you to have a good research on Redbubble to find the most profitable niches and the most exclusive trends. And now, let's get started. And now we can begin with the first website for today, that is bubblespider.com. And at the first glance, you can find the top selling items on the biggest e-commerce in internet, which is Amazon.com. As you see, top selling Amazon merch t-shirts in different categories like men, women, boys, and girls. So here you have to go with the flow with these amazing trending designs like this one, Michigan and Admitted, and so on. And bubblespider.com contains a lot of tools that enable you to have a perfect research on Redbubble to find the most profitable niches, keywords, and trends. And the first tool is popular Redbubble keywords. Here you can find the most popular keywords on Redbubble right now. As you see here, this data last updated about 1 hour ago, with some features like its rank, trending keywords or its popularity, its competition, which means the search results number, and this keyword, and the best selling items regarding the specific keyword like stickers, t-shirts, posters, and so on. And for Google Trends, if you want to have a closer look at Google Trends, and TM, which means trademark, this keyword is copyrighted or not. Okay, perfect. And then you can find maximum competition, which means here you can find the most popular keywords with any search results. Or you can be more precise and move this in for a given number, like this one, for example, 2000s or 3000s. Okay, so here you can find the most popular keywords on Redbubble right now, which have less than 3000 search results or easily competitive keywords. Okay, as you see, so you can find this one feeling slowly need more coffee, which means this keyword has increased in the last period. So you can search anything, like here you can type any word and you can find the most popular keywords that contain your seed word. For example, we can insert here cat, and here you can find the most popular keywords on Redbubble that contain this word, cat word. As you see, cat, retro, vintage, sunset, rainbow, and so on and so forth, with its competition and trending or its popularity, okay, its rank, and the Google Trends and trademark status. Okay, as you see, sad, cat in grunge, cat cheat post, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the first tool on bubblespider.com is popular Redbubble keywords to know the most popular keywords right now on Redbubble. And second tool here, you can find top trends right now currently on Redbubble, and it's updated daily, as you see. So you can find the Redbubble top trends as you see, with its competition or its search results count, like Mike White Jets, talk of the towny, reckless, and so on and so forth. Okay, with its competition on Redbubble. Okay, or you can look for any word or any seed word, and here you can search the trends contain this word specifically. For example, we can type here dog, for example, and here you can find all trends on Redbubble that contain this word, like my dog, dog parents, Merry Christmas, doggy, most likely to decorate the dog, and so on and so forth, as you see, with its competition. And of course, to be more clear in that, let me show you something on Redbubble. If we head to homepage of Redbubble, so you can type here something like dog. Here you can find the all trends that start with dog word, like dogs, Christmas, dogs are my favorite people. Or we can type here something like parents, and then you can find all trends that contain this word, as you see, dog, parents, and so on and so forth. And there you have known how bubblespider.com gets its data. Okay, perfect. So you can find, you can work on these designs, like most likely to decorate her dog, or you can type here something like dogs. As you see, dogs are my favorite people, dogs, Christmas, dogs, and so on and so forth. Okay, perfect. And the next tool on publishspider.com is Trend Finder. Here you can add your seed keyword, for example, like dogs. Okay, and then you can find all trending keywords that contain your seed word. As you see, dog, Christmas, adopt all the dogs, and so on and so forth. And the last tool on publishspider.com is best seller items on Redbubble right now. As you see here, you can find the highest ranking design, the best selling items and designs on Redbubble. Last updated about 5 hours ago, like this one, street cats. Okay, with the designer name and its tags and tags spam. If these tags contain somehow spammy words or copyrighted tags and so on, like the pounds and botany with its tags and so on. So you can go with the flow with these amazing and the best-selling items and best-selling designs to create your newer designs. Okay, so the first tool for today is publishspider.com, and it's for free. And now let's go together to the second website for today. It is toppubbleindex.com. toppubbleindex.com. It's an amazing tool that helps you more in Redbubble and Etsy business. And as for Redbubble research, so you can go to this one, Redbubble tools, and then you can find Redbubble keyword research. As you see in this Redbubble keyword research tool, all you have to do is just you can insert your seed word. For example, we can type here something like sunflower or happiness or swimmer or something like that, and just you can go search. And toppubbleindex.com gives you a lot of data about competition, Google searches, difficulty, average price, main category, or the best selling item regarding this word, and so on and so forth. As you see, these amazing results like competition, which means the number of designs that use this keyword, the number of shops competing over this keyword, which is 86, the main category, which means the best selling item regarding this word, which is a sticker in our case. Then you can find the search volume for this keyword, which is about 4 million. And the difficulty, which means the difficulty you would face if you want to rank higher on Redbubble search results. And of course, in our case, it's high. Thus, either you could search for anything else, or you can make some sub-niches or cross-niche designs. For example, you can make your design about yoga and sunflower and coffee, and so on and so forth. And then you can find a breakdown of these data, like for shops competing list. As you see, the top 10 popular tags used on all these designs, like sunflower, yellow, flowers, cute, sun, and so on and so forth. The price range, the most popular words on tag, which is sunflower for sure, the most popular categories or the most popular items regarding this keyword, and of course a sticker. And you can find some related keywords. Of course, you can try all these keywords if you don't work for sunflower niche, like sunflower with its Google searches and its competition, Mexican sunflower, sunflowers, as you see, growing sunflowers, okay, and so on. And of course, you can find all of these features if you sign up for free on toppubbleindex.com. And now let's move on to the third tool for today, that is podseas.com. Here in this enticing website, you could have a good research in 3 platforms: Etsy.com, Redbubble, and Amazon. And of course, I have talked about this amazing website in a separate video. You can watch this video below in the description box. And now you have known 3 amazing free tools to have a good research on Redbubble, like toppubbleindex.com, PubbleSpider, and podseas.com. And to your knowledge, there's amazing tool, but unfortunately it is not for free. It's a paid tool, which is PubbleScout.com. So you can try this amazing tool to find the most profitable niches and trends and the best selling designs right now on Redbubble. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.